Okay, we got a box in the mail. We've had the box for quite some time. And right now is the time to open it, right? We're right around 6-7 months from Tazapalooza. So we're gonna get something out there. So I'm opening it. Thank you, John Hudson.
Old timer.
And Dana Hudson. Old timer, good to see you, buddy. Just in time. Just in time.
Cardboard.
Might need that. Okay. Taz and Mama. I'm going to sit down and read this here later. Taz and Mama Taz. Hope this package finds you in good health and heart. I want you to use this saw however you see fit. Fundraiser, giveaway, or whatever you think will help out the most for Tazapalooza. She ain't new, but she ain't broke. Put her through the paces and add any of your expertise you think it needs. I made the dogs from 5160 spring steel, patterned after OEM dogs. Dana hand-stitched the leather handle wrap. It has low kickback chain, so feel free to replace it if you want. Hope to see you guys next year for a good time. We love you and appreciate all that you do and all that you stand for. Love, John and Dana. Thank you, John and Dana Hudson. I appreciate it. Thank you, Dana, for stitching the handle. Wait till you see this. If you haven't seen this thing yet, wait till you see it. All right. Woo-hoo! Where you at, Johnny Arnett? Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Nice job on that dog, buddy. Look at that. Pro Mac 1010. Oh, yeah, look at that handle. Look at that handle wrap. Nice work, Dana. Oh, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. We're going to put gas in it and start it. I'm not going to cut with it. I'm just going to start it. Oh, thanks, John and Dana. This is awesome. This is going to make somebody a dandy, dandy saw. Pro Mac 1010.
Megan and Mixer here.
Josh and Megan. Here just in time also. You guys are awesome. That's a dandy.
There's Johnny.
Old Johnny. Look at that. Look at that stitched handle. Pretty sweet. Hand stitched. Nice. That dog's killer, buddy. Oh yeah, it's going to help it sit proud. 24-inch bar on there of some kind. Oh yeah. I'm going to take that side cover off there.
Why do I have to start it, Sparky?
I'm going to take that side cover off. I don't want the clutch eating the side of the clutch cover.
Cameron Hammer. Too nice to use. You'll get it dirty.
Cameron. Good to see you, Cameron. For Tazapalooza.
Muffler said, can you congratulate Old Timer? He's split his first set cases on 2 372. They told him he could do it.
Right on, Old Timer.
All he needed was a case splitter. Good job, Old Timer.
Nice work. Okay. Everything is intact. Let's go put some gas in it. Huh? All right, let's see if we can get some gas in there. Okay. Dad's yard on it, huh? Oh, she got plenty of compression. My squirt bottle's about empty.
Aaron, shush. God.
Nice work, buddy. Oh, yeah, that is a dandy. Gas is what makes that pop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right on. Thank you again, John and Dana. I really appreciate this. This is gonna be a great addition to Tazapalooza. I appreciate your contribution, your help, and your support. Finishing this video up after the live. What a great live. Thanks to everybody that joined us on that live feed. I enjoyed it. Ton of fun. Always fun to get caught up on the week, how everybody's doing. Even if you just pop in, say hi and bye. It's great. It's great to see new names coming in, new people coming in. Very, very enjoyable. I appreciate all of it. John and Dana, I can't even, I just can't even. This is the nicest McCulloch that I've had the opportunity to have in my hands, to start and to have sitting on this bench. For sure. Very nice work. It's going to make a great firewood saw for somebody, buddy. No doubt about that. So I'll keep this video short. Just wanted to get it out there that John and Dana Hudson, go check out John Hudson's YouTube channel and show them some support, please. They support everybody around the community. They're always in there, in the comments, on live feeds all over the place. This is a fantastic saw. Somebody at Tazapalooza is going to be really, really happy with this saw. It's a dandy. Nice new filter, John. Goodness sakes. Clean air box. It's just clean. Just a clean saw. I'll try not to get it too dirty when I run it. You'll see. I'll get some videos out. And we'll get it in the wood, even if it's right out here in the backyard. I hope you all have a great weekend. I love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Thanks, Hud's Hobby Room. Dana, great job stitching that leather on there. Leather handle. That's pretty cool. That's super cool. Stay tuned.